Well, we finally did it. Got ourselves a MIG welder, and this one's made in Italy. This one hasn't been used in what, 5-6 years? He said.
Something around that.
Yeah, and the beautiful thing about this, still has a full spool of wire on it.
Oh yeah, that's a lot of wire.
Yeah. Now we got to do some research on this, and well,
Get it cleaned up.
yeah, clean it up, see what needs to be done. And there's a little tiny clamp there for some reason.
Oh, that's just.
Yeah, right there's a Allen wrench. But
Oh, that's for your wheel.
oh, okay. It's a good thing it's right there. I have to make a different spot for it. But now we got to find, what is it, oxygen or something, some sort of a gas that this takes.
Yeah, I don't remember. We're gonna have to research it.
Yeah, because we got to get.
This is our first MIG welder, so.
Well, for both of us, for a business, I had a tiny one that got stolen from that one guy a long time ago that the sheriff didn't want to do anything about. I had a little tiny one that got stolen along with all the other stuff, with my bumpers and the gas tank and stuff like that for my 59 Ford, remember? Yeah. But this, for business-wise between us, yeah, this is the first giant MIG welder that we've ever owned. So, gotta run numbers on it, find an operator's manual, see what TLC that we need to do to it, and go from there in honesty. It was originally, how much did he say he got this for?
600.
Yeah, $600 something. And he's got something bigger. And this one's got the setting on it too, where you can actually do the stop time for the stitching. As I'll take this off real fast and show. As you can see, spot time, a bunch of other stuff on here too. And it's already off. See, made in Italy. Astro Power 180. And this has seen a lot of work hours already, but
I've seen him use it, so
I haven't. I haven't seen him use this at all.
it's been a while.
Yeah. But our generator in there will also take this little 3-prong. So Tucker will go through this more and check all the back stuff here and all the connections and that hose and whatever that is. That's probably for the gas and everything. And we also got to get a new clamp for the grounding wire, which is up there someplace. But yeah, it's you know, a little dirty, but it won't hurt it. Just gotta.
Yeah, well, I'm still going to take it apart and fully clean it.
Yeah.
Make sure all the wiring connections are still good.
Yeah, he knows how to do that stuff.
But he had it in storage for a while, so that's why it looks a little dusty.
He knows how to do the electrical stuff. I just know how to turn some of these things on and just weld. So yeah, so this right here is going to be fixing this. And a lot of Cadillac clubs are wondering when I want to start working on it. I was like, well, sometime in October, either the first couple weeks or mid-October, because I'm almost done with a few other stuff. Didn't work on a car while I was going to on the Cyclone GT, but it started raining yesterday and raining this morning, and did small stuff on Thursday in the heat, and well, so I guess do a little bit of a blog, that we don't like doing these kind of blogs anymore, because, you know, just like, you know, doing stuff here and there, showing the work. So yeah, this will also help us out with the steel reproduction bodies next year as well. And it's going to be November that I'll get more of the dies for the English wheel. There's like a set of something that's like $200 something, unless it gets any higher. So, and then he'll be getting metal stretcher, shrinker, and a few other odds and ends that we need. Getting bit by a mosquito. Oh, I filled full of blood. But gonna look into a homemade bead roller, possibly, depending if they go down in price. Anything else that you think that we may need for basic stuff?
I don't know.
Yeah, because we only need like 5 or 6 more things just to do everything that we want to do. Because it'll be a while until we get a stamper and such made, the proper ones. Because just do the basic stuff, you know, like cutting panels, you know, like on the his 56 there, and you know, doing stuff on the Mercury, and you know, on this right here. And of course I'm going to start doing some stuff on that on his 64,
which I do have original air conditioning unit for that.
yes, a very rare option of air conditioning unit for it. And you're going to have the 390 stroker 390 Super Cobra jet in it. You were going to go bigger, but you decided just to do the 390 instead. Just keep it a Z code.
Yep.
And then have extra options on it. And of course, messing around with Drama Queen here very shortly. So, this looks like the sky is actually clearing up a little bit. But all in all, still got to move the Barracuda over. I got to kind of fiddle around with that. But yeah, right here's the, like I said, the grounding wire. Just got to get a new thing for it is all.
That's just for your clamp.
Yeah, it's just for the clamp. So yeah, I mean, this is a huge win. Next weekend he'll go over this and clean it up and stuff, and then do the research during the week, see what kind of gas this takes, some sort of oxygen or something.
Yeah, it won't be oxygen.
Yeah, we got to write the numbers down and look up the online manual for this, because it goes up to 230 volt, you know, right here, and our generator will handle it with no problem. Class of insulation H, IP21. So yeah, 1 to 60 hertz, 1 volt to 230 volt. So yeah, there's a bunch of stuff right here, kind of rub it off, you know, without stuff getting in the way, you know. Yeah, so it's really not too bad. So, let's see here. Gosh, wasn't there something on Drama Queen that you wanted to show people or not? I can't remember.
I don't remember.
I really don't remember. But game plan for this coming week, which I might spend all week on her, you know, getting the stuff ready for Tucker. Of course, put tires on it, scoot the engine pulley or engine puller over, or at least forward, so I can yank out the engine. Car's rough. I know I'm gonna have to grind a lot of bolts off of this. Main objective is to take the entire front clip off, both front and back bumpers. Those are going to be fun. Take the trunk deck off, doors off, and then loosen up stuff underneath to take the transmission and engine out all at the same time.
Which I do have a really nice front clip for it.
Yes.
And we have a 4-door over there that's going to supply the parts.
Yes.
And the nice thing about it too, it had those bottom chrome pieces that this one here is missing.
Yeah.
And those were perfect on that one.
I know. And I'm thinking about making a pattern off of those too, just on paper, and then once we get that roller, do some reproduction stuff then. But because this is going to come off its frame along with Cherry Bomb Victoria, the 64 Galaxy, Havana Banana. Did I actually name? Yeah, Havana Banana or something like that. Jeanette's coming off her frame next year. I gotta scoot it back a little bit more, and I'm gonna block up the 76 Roadrunner. Finish scooting this thing back so it's out of the way, but scoot some other things forward, and then once Drama Queen's got a lot of her stuff off of it, place it over right there and pop it off the frame, and see how bad this this frame is.
I like to mess with that Buick too.
Yeah, I know. We still gotta.
That thing's supposed to still run.
I know we gotta do TLC on this to start it up, because some more people have actually been wanting to look at this too, because it's got a factory nail head. Did we find out what size?
We never looked. We researched the numbers of how to identify it, but we never did.
Yeah. I think it was it down right here or here? I don't remember now, because we just brought it home. I know it's down below somewhere.
Yeah, I don't remember. We had it open once.
Yeah, right here it is. Here, I got it. There we go. Yeah, and she's a factory 4-barrel too. I know the numbers are in the back here somewhere. There's like a odd lip back here on these nail heads.
Yeah, we're at, I can see it, but we're at to clean it up.
Oh, okay. And right here,
It's right in front of the hogshead.
okay. And we got some numbers right here too, which is 11969114J, which is right here. Doesn't matter about the engine blocks and stuff like that because it doesn't match the VIN. But it's, yeah. But this is a matching numbers car. I kind of mistook it as, you know, like fenders, you know, but no. Someone told me matching. You damn mosquito right in the ear. Damn, that's sensitive. Man, these mosquitoes aren't coming out. Sorry. Matching numbers, engine, transmission, drive shaft, rear axle, everything matches up with this car. So,
It didn't take much to get this one going.
Nope. And I think it was the next couple weeks, once we identify on what size this is, I'll probably get the numbers off of it and find it that way. He's going to get some stuff so that we can do some TLC on this and see if he'll fire it up. Didn't you have the starter key for this?
Actually, I think I do.
Okay.
I had it put up.
Yes, because we'll, like I said, do some TLC on this, do some compression tests, new spark plugs, spark plug wires, distributor cap, oil change, few other odds and ends, and get a fire extinguisher just in case, because ours just went outdated last week. It'll still work to a certain extent, but we forgot to grab one today on town. And of course, get some mixture into this, find out if it's like a 50-50 mixture. I think almost every vehicle is, aren't they, for antifreeze?
Yeah, that won't hurt nothing.
Yeah. But yeah,
but certain engines too had to have a special.
Yeah, we got to find.
Some of the wedges had to have a special one.
Yeah. But yeah, there's going to be this one, our late father's high boy over there. Was going to do some others, but we're also going to go back to the Sport Brougham, and he's going to help out, try to get it, you know, running on its own power. I got to drop the gas tank sometime when I have free time and just see on what happens in honesty. So, all in all, I mean, people want to see this nailhead run. We want to see it run too, but it's going to be a couple weeks until we, or at least he gets stuff for it, and then we'll go from there. So, but yeah, we want to, because we never heard a nailhead run before by ear. We've seen videos, but we'll start it up, do a C note, and a bunch of other stuff too. And are we going to see if it'll actually drive or just start up?
Start up.
Okay. I want to say, it's like we'll have to do more.
Yeah, do a lot
more mechanical stuff to see if it'll just
works.
Yeah, to see if it'll jog around the field out there. But no, we'll just do a startup. So all in all, yeah, people want to see this nailhead start up, and so do we. And tomorrow when I get time, I'll clean that off that back there and get the numbers for you, and I'll run them and see what size she is, and I'll also announce it on our community section here on YouTube. Anything else you want to add, my dear brother? Alrighty. So that's pretty much everything in a nutshell. Sorry for not getting a work video out. I gotta get some posts over, and as you can see, she's about ready to be with that boo-boo being pulled out. So I gotta get the door off, take off the rest of the front clip, take off stuff on the factory welds, and put 2 posts on each side, one on this side to hold it. On this side, get a system set up so that way I can yank it out once I heat it up to a certain extent. And then do proper measurements off of the Montego MX parts car, which is going to be a parts car, because I found a bunch of Montego MXs on the east and west coast. They're just dime a dozen over there.
Yeah, that's
and besides, I kind of want to find a Montego MX Brougham.
That's the reason why we bought that.
Yep.
Chop it up and fix this one.
Yep. So yeah, it's did some work, but heat got in the way, rain got in the way yesterday and today, and plus went into town. So yeah, it's slow progress on working on everything, jumping back and forth, but it's what we got to do in order to restore these within the next 5 to 6 years on our first lineup. Pretty simple to do, just jumping around and such. So alrighty. Thank you very much for the support that you've shown us all this time. Please take in consideration of liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing. We're not after no money in any way, shape, or form. No PayPal, no donations, no nothing. So y'all have a good one now. Take care and stay safe. See you later. And thanks again for the support.